If you go to the Penn Museum now, you can see examples of writing in Sumerian and Egyptian. These are the oldest recorded languages, going back nearly 5 millennia. So is that how old language is? Nope. The reconstructed ancestor of Egyptian and its Afroasiatic siblings was never written but was likely spoken between 15 and 20,000 years ago. So is that how old language is? Almost certainly not. All you need for language is the right brain. Brains don't fossilize, but there's evidence of complex symbolic cultural behavior going back 50 to 100,000 years ago or longer. And some people do think that's how old language is. But once you start looking for this, you find Neanderthals were doing it too. In fact, we know Neanderthals and Homo sapiens had children together in what looked like stable family relationships. So maybe they had something to talk about. If so, language must go back hundreds of thousands of years. 5,000 years of recorded language barely scratches the surface. Just think of the whole languages we'll never even know existed. The stories, the poems, the histories, the jokes. Gone forever. But there are around 6,000 languages spoken today. Unfortunately, about half of them are endangered. And this is not a time to feel all that optimistic about their future. So if, like me, you grew up speaking a minority language, please use it every chance you get. And if you didn't, why not go and learn one? I can't think of many other things quite as much worth your time. Diolch yn fawr, as we say in Welsh.